Hey guys, this is D Revolution. Here to keep you motivated on writing. It's another video. Please like and subscribe to my page. And search for me on Fiverr.com. I am coaching writers, and you can hire me to coach you, to personally coach you on the things that you would like to do as a writer. So this is very important. I want to talk about energy and writing. Something that I discovered early on that has transcended into something much bigger and better for me today. Um, if you are a writer, um, one thing that you would like that you need to do, I would suggest that you do, is find you a nice little space where you can write and not be disturbed, and put a little vibe in the area, of what you're writing, to make you comfortable, to make you relax, to clear your mind. Um, a lot of times, writers they try to write, they got kids running around or whatever the situation is, and then they stop writing because they can't get nothing done, or they just in a chaotic atmosphere. So I personally, I have to deal with that. Not kids running around, but you know, um, I haven't been able to ever have the type of space I would have liked to have to write. But one thing, if you are fortunate enough to have space, um, find you a nice space, set it up, keep it clean. Um, get you a little get you a little radio, a little something that you can play music on. And that's another thing. If you're writing and you are getting tired, and this works in both ways. Throw on some music, kind of upbeat your energy, and um, also it's good to have music to help you write a particular scene, because when you're feeling it, if you put on your favorite love song and you got to write a love scene in your story, and you put on that song and you start writing to it, that energy transferred to the writing because you're going to be feeling it more because of that song that's playing. That's the beautiful thing about music. So, there are times that I've been up 1, 2 o'clock in the morning writing, and I'm getting tired, but I'm like, okay, I only got maybe a couple more pages and I'll be done with this. I throw on, a song. I throw, oh, excuse me, I throw on something to hype me up a little bit to get me through those last couple of pages. And that's something that you can do as well. Um, Definitely, music plays a big part, has played a big part of my writing. Especially, I don't do it as much now. I don't know why. Maybe because I don't have the space that I want to really do it. But definitely, music helps build energy when you're writing, not just a love scene, but through the whole story. And it also perks you up when you're tired. You know, pretty much as simple as just you writing a love scene, play a love song. If you're writing a action scene, play a hyped up song. You know what I'm saying? If you want some swag in your story, play something that makes you feel like that. Play the type of music that makes you feel like what you're writing, and it's going to come out better. And that's a little secret that I've learned, and I'm not sure how many authors do that, but I can tell you firsthand that it does work. Play the type of music that you feel that fits what you're writing in that particular moment. Because your story should go up, down, left, right, around the corner and back. So you might have a love scene. You might be writing a part about love. Somebody making love, or there may be a shootout. Anything to and listening to a song like this is going to vibrate onto your writing because you got the frequency here, and the thoughts which you're writing will start to come out. Anyway, it's hard to explain, but I can just tell you firsthand that I've done it. Please like and subscribe to my page, MD Revolution. Please check out my website, blockbooksforus.com, and check out some books there. Peace.